Connecting Google Authenticator with Crypto.com is a straightforward process that enhances the security of your cryptocurrency account. To begin, ensure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. If not, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. First, log into your Crypto.com account and navigate to the security settings. This is usually found under the Account or Profile section. Look for the two-factor authentication option and select Google Authenticator. You will be presented with a QR code or a secret key. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device and tap the plus icon to add a new account. Choose the Scan QR code option and point your camera at the QR code displayed on the Crypto.com page. Alternatively, if you have been provided with a secret key, select the Enter a Setup Key option and input the key manually. Once the QR code is scanned or the secret key is entered, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Go back to the Crypto.com page and enter this code to verify the connection. You may also be asked to create a backup code for additional security. After successfully connecting Google Authenticator, you will be required to enter the 6-digit code generated by the app every time you log into your Crypto.com account. This adds an extra layer of security, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. Best practices include keeping your Google Authenticator app and Crypto.com account up to date, using a secure password for your Crypto.com account, and enabling additional security features such as biometric authentication if available. It is also essential to keep your mobile device secure and protected with a password or biometric lock to prevent unauthorized access to the Google Authenticator app. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively connect Google Authenticator with Crypto.com and significantly enhance the security of your cryptocurrency account. Remember, security is an ongoing process, and staying informed about the latest security measures is crucial for protecting your digital assets.